This is a cow.
Inside of cows, we have hamburgers. Inside of hamburgers, we have more hamburgers. Inside of more hamburgers, we have cats. Inside of cats, we have the animal cell.
Yay!
The animal cell has quite a few parts, and we're here to tell you about them. First, the animal cell, probably the most important part, is the nucleus. The nucleus tells everything what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, kind of thing. It's kind of like the big boss man who tells everyone what to do and does what it is.
I contain DNA.
And these little blue lines around it are the ERs, which are the
Endoplasmic reticulums.
I cannot pronounce this, and that's why I had James do it. There are smooth ERs, and then there are the rough ERs. The ones that there's not a really big difference except for the fact that the rough ones are just ribosomes running through all the little ERs. The smooth ones don't have traffic and stuff. And James will tell you more about that.
So the function of the endoplasm. There are many functions of the endoplasmic reticulum, but one of the primary functions of it is that the ribosomes will go through the endoplasmic reticulums to the nucleus and basically figure out what the nucleus wants to happen, when it wants it, and everything, and then they will leave the endoplasmic reticulums, head to the Golgi apparatus,
which is this guy right here, and the Golgi apparatus is like the post office. It packages everything and delivers it to all the cell structures and stuff. And so it tells like what them to do. It like gives them the mail and stuff. And then
what exactly are ribosomes, though? Ribosomes are these little black dots. They are the mailmen and portable batteries for the cell. They run around delivering mail and portable energy.
And then over here we have the mitochondria, which are these little guys right there. And the mitochondria are basically the powerhouses of the cell, giving energy to the cell, and that's about their only purpose. And then we also have these little guys here, which are the valvules. They store the water of the cell and hydrate it when needed to. And then we also have these little fellows, which are lysosomes.
The lysosomes, basically when a cell takes in its food, the lysosome
digests
its food.
And it just keeps like the food running and stuff.
Yeah.
And then right here we have the centrosome, which is the most dense part of the cell, and it basically allows it to reproduce. What it does is it splits into two, and then each side goes to one side of the cell. Each part goes to one side of the cell, and then it just keeps pushing the cell apart, and then it splits it into two, and then makes two new cells, kind of like what James is showing you here. And then it splits in half, and that's the cell. And then, and then there's also the cytoplasm in it, which is the orange stuff right here. And the orange stuff, basically, cytoplasm keeps everything from bumping into each other, so all the stuff doesn't break and bust, and it just keeps the cell kind of staying together. And then the purple thing around the cell is the cell membrane. The cell membrane allows water and nutrients into the cell and keeps anything it doesn't want out of the cell. It's kind of like the guard. So as you can see, a cell is kind of like a city. It's got all the things to keep it in line, the boss, like the mayor and stuff like that. The cell wall, kind of like making sure who gets in and who gets out. And so you can relate the cell to a city. So that is the animal cell. Hope you learned something from it, and